Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook display problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix this issue, what you need to do at first is just head over to the App Store and then on the search bar simply type in Facebook, right? And once you search it, tap on it to check to see if the app is updated to the latest version or not, because the issue that you might be facing might be causing due to the older version that might be causing the app to glitch from time to time, right? If you are still facing with the issue, what you can do is open up the settings app, tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on option that says iPhone storage, and once it loads, scroll down and tap on Facebook and tap on upload app. And once you tap on upload app, what this does is it clears all the caches and bugs that is probably causing the screen or the display problem that you are having right now. Once the process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is restart your phone and then try again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.